Hi everybody, John here. Time for another episode of Johnny Can Cook, another Instagram recipe. Today we're making chicken smash burgers. Stay tuned and see how it goes. All right, so this is Johnny Can Cook, and again we're making chicken smash burgers today. They're supposed to be made on the grill, but we're gonna make them in a frying pan. A little bit of a alternate method there, but it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be great. We're also making, we're gonna make some Nathan's French fries. We like these as a side. These are really good, and they're excellent vehicle for ketchup and ranch. I can vouch for this. These burgers are bacon burgers. So if you look down here, this is what we use. We use turkey bacon. This is what Danny prefers, and she doesn't like actual pork. The only meat that Danny has is chicken. So Poultry. What else besides chicken? That's a
turkey. Yeah.
Oh, turkey. I'm sorry. You're right. That's the big one. So they're gonna be chicken bacon burgers. There's the ground chicken. Turn it right side up. We're gonna throw some American cheese on there. They're supposed to be cooked with honey mustard. I might do that on mine. And then there's a couple little seasonings that we're gonna spice them up with if we can get Danny to agree to it. And that's pretty much it. They're very simple. It's a very simple recipe. Like 30-second video on Instagram. So if it's simple, I can do it. Okay, so we got our French fries ready to go. We have the Nathan's Fantastic Fries all arranged in a nice single layer, ready to go into the oven. The stove is preheating nicely, almost to 425. We're gonna make some bacon now. So this is how we make our bacon around here. We use the air fryer. Fresh package of turkey bacon. I'm gonna make you 3 pieces. Is that cool?
Okay.
I'm actually not gonna have it. So, 3 pieces of turkey bacon. Ready to go in? Gonna go into the air fryer. On air fry. Jenny doesn't preheat. I just start cooking right away and I just watch it like a hawk. So, that stuff's going. We're gonna start making our chicken balls for our smash burgers. All right, time to make our ground chicken mixture for the patties. So we're gonna dive into this guy. Open it up. Ooh. That is a soft little rascal. And we're not gonna season it very much actually. We're just gonna put some of the roasted garlic and herb. You know that guy named Herb. This is Danny's favorite seasoning for her turkey burgers. So we're gonna put some of this in there. That's gonna take too long.
Can you see that up closer?
Okay. And a little bit of Montreal. Every once in a while I sneak this into something of Danny's. She likes it. All right. How do you feel about chives? Okay, no chives. So now we just work this up. Okay, that's really it. So that's ready to go. So now I just have to wash my hands. Food safety, everybody. Sometimes the producer and the star don't always see eye to eye on things. But that's okay.
Especially when one has major issues with chicken and...
Okay, hands are washed. We're clean.
With soap.
With soap. And we get a plate. And now you can do this several different ways. I'm going to take a spoon. And here's the thing. These are going to be smashed very thin. So I'm not going to make them very big because they are going to be smashed so thin. My buns aren't very big, and Danny's buns aren't big at all. Wow. the buns she has for her burgers. I'm kidding. I love you. So, form it into a ball, probably such as meh, and that's probably about right. My gut tells me it should be about right. And when you have a gut like mine, you listen to it. Here we are. And we're gonna make 4 of these because we're gonna start with 2 burgers. And there's supposed to be 2 patties per burger. No Erica's or Marjorie's, just patties. Get it?
No, I don't get it, but
The woman's name is Patty.
well, that I get. I thought you chose Erica or Margaret or whatever for something specifically related to
just
Patty.
Random names.
Random firings of a madman.
Yes. All right. Well, okay. I called an audible since we last spoke about a minute ago. I'm gonna make 6 of them, and that way I'm gonna make 2 more patties because I'm prepared to have 2 burgers. All right. We got some extra patties, so we're gonna try a smash experiment. Or experimental smashing. So. I don't know. So this is patty number 1. That experiment didn't. I tried to adjust it, and I didn't have another spatula to scrape it, so it didn't pan out very good. I'm sure
Pan out.
It'll taste fine. It just has to taste good.
That's right. And these are gonna cook in no time flat.
Yeah. This one is.
That's pancake number 1.
Yeah.
The first pancake is always bad.
Yep, exactly. So this is almost schnitzel bits at this point. So we got the pan hot on high, and we went to a medium high to cook. And I'm gonna experiment with that because that might be a little too hot, but we'll see.
I think char on it is good.
I think so too. I'm just gonna let this one go until it's mostly done, and we'll see how it turns out.
Yeah.
Okay, that is experiment number 1 reaching a conclusion. That almost looks like an onion, but that's just a string of grilled bits. So that is I think, a successful experiment. We have our 2 samples. We have
Pancake number 1.
sample number 1, sample number 2. And again, this isn't an onion, this is grilled bits. Probably not the char that you wanted. I can work on that. It's probably going to be higher heat, and it'll cook faster. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll keep playing. All right, we're going live without a net. We're going to put the first batch of legit burgers in. We're going to try 4 of them in the pan.
I'm eating bacon.
Sticky suckers. I think that one's going to have a permanent grimace on its face. Okay. Not so bad. I mean, I've never cooked a smash burger before. I have to believe it's a little bit easier with
Or with chicken.
Yeah, I have to believe it's easier with hamburger because it's more naturally slippery. Chicken is a little bit sticky. So we're gonna see how this goes. It's almost halfway cooked through, so we're gonna try to get a good char on it without drying it out.
I have assembled my burger. You can see there's 2 patties in there, onions, lettuce, and bacon on top. And I'm gonna put my top bun on.
They're a little disheveled. I've already manipulated them a little bit since they came out. I'm looking forward to this. It smells good.
It smells really good.
Smells really good, and it's frozen fries and ground chicken, some seasonings, and a bunch of condiments that I love. There's only so much that can go wrong. I think I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna be happy.
I'm gonna be happy.
That's a good meatball.
Looks good.
I'm looking forward to this first bite. I'm gonna try it as the recipe called for. It's a double smash burger, cheese. I have American cheese, not Swiss. That's the only difference. So this
Honey
is
mustard.
got the honey mustard in there. I got the onion, the lettuce. Mmm.
Oh,
Mmm. Mmm.
that took a while.
I had to get past the honey mustard. That's a good flavor to the meat, to the patty. So that flavor mixed with all the other stuff. Mmm. That's a good combination.
Yay, another success.
Yep.
Johnny can cook.
All right. So that was really good. I'm still working a little bit. I can't promise I'm gonna finish. But this is the second one, so I've had almost 2. It was really good flavor. The seasoning, the honey mustard, which you didn't have, I know that.
No, but I had bacon with mine, and that was really good.
Yeah.
Turkey bacon. Mine was very good. I devoured it. It was very good.
That's fantastic. I'm incredibly pleased.
I'm super pleased. I think we could do this every week. I'd be happy.
Yeah, especially for us that we have, limited taste and that sort of thing. But it was really flavorful. It's like a good, solid recipe that you feel like you're making something, but it's very simple. And man, is it tasty. So good. I'm really happy. I'm going to give this like a 7 or 8 out of 10.
Yeah. I would give it an 8 for sure.
I'll give it an 8. Forget the 7. This is an 8. Maybe
Yes.
more. So that's it from here for today. Another Instagram recipe successfully wrangled. Really happy with it. Chicken smash burgers. There you go.